Hola y bienvenidos a Módulo 3. Well, Módulo 3 y 4, 3 and 4. You'll see that we have the overall dates for both modules, and then we have the dates broken up in between. So technically, most of the assignments are due at this last date, May 30th. But if you see here, May 21st to May 25th, by May 25th, you should really be wrapping up the Module 3 items. If you try to save everything for the last day, May 30th, you're going to have way too much stuff to get through all in one day. So let's just look at Module 3. This module is about families and the verb tener. So the verb tener means to have. So we're going to talk about that verb, and then with things like, I have a sister, I have a brother. So under the readings, we have some different pages in the book and also some cultural articles, because we do have a discussion board, and that discussion board, that your initial post is going to be due on May 25th. So make sure you read those articles and get your initial post in. Remember, all the discussion boards are in English. And then the assignments that we have the homework packet, which again, like you saw in the first modules, is unlimited attempts. You can keep doing it until you get the grade you want. The discussion board, which initial posts due May 25th, responses due May 30th. The speaking assignment, so you're going to answer those questions about your family. And then this thing where it says family tree practice, you don't have to submit that anywhere. That's just similar to something that's on the quiz. So just take a look at it. Again, you don't have to submit it. Just take a look at it because it's similar to what's on the quiz, which is here. And the quiz, again, remember, once you open it, you have to finish it. And you only get one attempt. Okay, let me know if you have any questions y nos vemos pronto.